Okay, now I want to talk about how to find the area of a complex figure. So if I have a figure like this, this could be like the shape of the playground or shape of your backyard or shape of a room, and you need to find the area for it. Here's what I would do if I was wanting to find the area for it. If you notice, you can kind of pick out or dissect or take apart um, two different figures from this one figure. What I mean by that is, if I could draw an imaginary line here, I'm just going to do a dotted line this way, and now I have two rectangles. I have a rectangle here and a rectangle here. So I need to find the area of this rectangle and the area of this rectangle, and then add them together to get my total area. So let's do that. Now we know that to find area of a parallelogram, and a rectangle is a parallelogram, find the area of that, I have to do base times height. So in order to do that, I'm going to do, let's look at this first rectangle right here. And I know that my base is going to be this way, and this side is congruent to this side right here. So I'm going to do base of 3 inches times the height of 2 inches. So this is going to be 3 inches times 2 inches. And what's that going to equal? Well, that's going to equal, for this rectangle, 6 inches squared. And I have to put that squared on there because we're multiplying this unit and this unit, and so we basically have 2 inches, or 2 units for inches. Now, let's look at this rectangle. I've got a base of 3 inches here and a height of 1 inch here. So I'm going to multiply those together. Well, 3 inches times 1 inches is 3 inches squared. So now I have these two areas. I have this area and this area, and I need to add them together. So 3 inches squared plus, from this one, plus 6 inches squared from this one. What's my total area going to be? That goes up, 9 inches squared. And that's my total area for this complex figure. Now, when you do other complex figures, you may be able to dissect it or take it apart in a different way. Okay, you could take it apart this way. You could take one here and have a little square there, and then a rectangle there. And this one you could have 3 shapes. There's no wrong way to take it apart. It's just however you see it to take it apart, but make sure you have the right dimensions or the right measurements for each shape. Now, this side here is going to be also 2 inches over here, so just keep that in mind. Whenever you go to dissect, this is going to be 1 inch. These sides are going to be across from each other, are usually, if these are right angles, are usually congruent.